Okay guys, welcome again to my channel. So today we'll be starting with web development. Under web development we start with web design first and foremost. So let me brush up on the most fundamental parts of it. So in web design we have, so you can see here, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, SQL is under web development, PHP, jQuery. Okay, so HTML, this is hypertext markup language. HTML is like if to me explaining is like the skeleton of the body. You know, before you put up the skin of the body, you have to add up. You must first and foremost have the skeleton, which you will then add. You then add up the skin, everything. It's what holds the website in place. Is what the whole website is being built on. So HTML is most fundamental part when it comes to web development. Now you have to go through HTML. So okay, so HTML, this shouldn't be that difficult. You have the CSS, cascading style sheets. This is what adds beauty to a web page. The colors, all those style, all those colors, and beautifying the pages is done with the CSS. Okay, we have the JavaScript. This is what adds animations to the web page. Like your website, your web page. Um, JavaScript is what adds animations and all those things that you see be running through the screen is done with your JavaScript. SQL, that's your database. So that's a server, your database that stores information. You know, when you click on something, you add up, you fill the form and stores the form to the database. That's your SQL. PHP is the back end. I mean back end. It's done with PHP. PHP is what takes your information from your HTML page to your database. You can use your SQL database. jQuery. jQuery is a simplified JavaScript. It simplifies JavaScript language. So I'll really recommend you get this course tutorial. Then I'll be explaining things. Majorly tools you should get. You should get your Visual Studio Code installer, or you can go with Sublime. Sublime is more lighter, but I would prefer and I would recommend you go with Visual Studio Code. Yeah, it has good functions that I personally I like that. Alright, so next tutorial we'll start with HTML and then enter the small but little by little. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and follow the next video. Thank you. Welcome again to my series of web development with Pacific area. So in this series, I'll be touching some very important and very vital points with regards to web development. We'll start with the front end, but I need to explain some facts. Alright, there's a difference between web design and web development. Alright, I know you guys will be surprised. You'll be like, what the fuck? What do I know? Alright, anyway, sorry for that. So, web design is just dealing with the UI interface, what makes the site fine, all those things, without having functions to the site. You just see the site, and that's represent something, but can't really perform any tasks. Web design can do that. What web development has to do with also working on the back end of the site. I'll define what front end and back end is. Now, front end deals with many days. The front of the site is what you see. That's UI, user interface, how things are being organized, arranged on the screen without any function attached to the site. That's the front end. What back end deals with the functions that enables you to communicate with the database of the site. Yeah, back end deals with that also. So for this you need a text editor,
very very important. The most basic one that we have is this notepad. So all of you can see that we have the notepad, but I'll recommend Visual Studio. VS Code for that. Um, VS Code, where is my VS Code? Right, this is my Visual Studio code. I recommend you get this. It's very helpful. Okay, you get that. You set up your server. Alright, so for I made a video right up here. These are servers, these are servers. Alright, so let me do something. Okay, okay. Servers for local host setup. So you can use the WAM, the NAM, or the NAM. Um, these are the abbreviations. Windows, Apache, MySQL, and PHP. That's for the WAM. That's what WAM means. We have Mac, Apache, MySQL, and PHP. And NAM, Linux, Apache, MySQL, and PHP. So this WAM means the servers that only runs on Windows operating system. NAM, server that only run on Mac operating system, and LAMP, server that only run on Linux operating system. Alright, so example of a server that runs on Windows operating system, we have alright, let me write one. We have XAMPP. We have XAMPP. We have Laravel. Alright, these are, but the one I would really recommend for this tutorial is XAMPP. XAMPP is actually good. You can search for this on Google. Alright, search for this on Google, and to give you the software for your device. Okay, that was a mistake. Alright, so if you're using this tutorial, if you're using a Mac, search for this to give you servers, save with Linux, and do this for the purpose of time. So you can go ahead and download it and start your server. It's not that difficult to start the server. I use XAMPP. For example, control panel is very very essential when you want to start dealing with backend. Yeah, you can't run PHP without a server. Then we want to begin. Mine is already started. My Apache or PHP and my SQL database is already started. So you need to get it. It's very very vital, very very important. Okay, so our next tutorial will start with the HTML front end. Yeah, HTML, CSS. Well, we'll start with HTML first and foremost. Alright, thanks for watching.